Hey
everyone! This is our mechanisms project, our final design presentation. Team members Jessica Herron, Amanda Imnett, and recording is Jonathan Hembry.
These are some of our goals right here. Our goal was to design a mechanism to load a car on top of a trailer. We were planning for a clearance of 26 degrees. We measured that off of an average car, so that was one of our design specs. And we were also aiming for an 8,000-pound car, which would be more than sufficient. Sort of a factor of safety, correct?
This is just one of the pictures of our design in 3D. We modeled this with SolidWorks, and here's the top platform where the car actually sits. And later on, John will show you the actuation of this, and you'll be able to see the actual movement of it. But this is just one screenshot of the actual trailer.
Our design, we actually ended up designing for a clearance angle of 14.73 degrees.
So we did a lot better than we
Which
were.
is what, yeah, so that, you know, you get a Corvette on up there. Hopefully you didn't wreck that, but, you know, it happens. We used a pretty simple design. We try to keep it simple and easy to operate. Those are some of the benefits of it. It's also a pretty reasonable cost. It's durable, and it employs a reliable, tested design, customized to meet the desired goal. So kind of you see designs like this, similar in lifting mechanisms. So we felt pretty confident that this would do the trick.
Okay, and here we'd like to show you in SolidWorks some of the actual movements of our design. So we'll have John take over.
Thank you for your attention.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Well, we'll have to cut that out. That's John.
Okay, so this will be our design in action.
This will be our Jonathan Hembry.
And this is kind of a 3D isometric view of the whole trailer. We use 2 pistons, and down back here at the back there's a hinge, there's a sub-platform, and a top platform that the car will rest on. The front view looks like this, and as you can tell, it is
Go switch off the lights, Amanda.
This is the initial position of the trailer with the car loaded on or unloaded, but this would be its traveling position. And when you're ready to load the car, this top platform will raise up to a maximum height of 26 degrees between here and the x-axis. And then a secondary motion, this top platform will fall down until it is tangent with the ground. Now, the sub-platform is raised by 2 hydraulic pistons, and on top here, there is a hydraulic winch that will control the motion of the top platform. Going to our extreme positions,
Oh, okay.
you see the first initial position here. This is the first extreme position. And like I said, this will be the traveling position. And our next extreme position has an angle of 14.73 degrees between the ground and the top platform. The advantage to this design is really that this angle can vary based on how high you raise this hydraulic cylinder. So you can actually have an angle as small. Somebody. Have an angle smaller than the 26 degrees that was specified.
Go tell
anyways. But that's some of the basic motion of the trailer, and it should easily meet all the requirements of any car out on the market today, except maybe some low riders. But other than that.
John, do you want to talk about some of the benefits of our design?
Well, it's pretty easy to construct, and it's widely used by a lot of semi trucks on the road that raise and lower garbage cans into the bed of the semi, and it's similar to that, but on a much smaller scale. The two pistons help to stabilize it from side to side, and the single hinge back here creates a lot less force on a single pin loading, since it'll be distributed over a whole one. But all the analysis was done in 2D, and so we weren't really concerned with all that sort of thing. But
How easy would this be to manufacture?
fairly easy. I mean, all you have to have are some pins, and it could be easily constructed out of radially square tubing and I-frames and just simple pins that are already available in the marketplace. It just would have to be built and welded together.
Would you say the average Joe could use this trailer?
Yeah, I mean, anybody with a little bit of training could easily use this product.
All right, excellent. Amanda, do you have any further statements to make?
I think John covered it all.
All right, well, thank you guys. That's the end of our presentation.
There you go.
I don't know how to turn it off.
Me neither.